Hello, I'm Peggy of Peggyjocreations, where colour is destiny. Thank you for dropping by to take a peek at my video. I'm outside on a beautiful March day, deciding to do some outside painting of our old Ikea bathroom cabinet that I'm upcycling with a spot of paint. It's white and turquoise. The turquoise is a Valspar paint, rather lovely colour, and I just thought it'd look nice in our bathroom, which is a soft grey. So this is what we're doing. I'm sorry about the bin, it's a Scarborough Borough Council recycling bin. I should have moved it. So this is just one of the shelves, or the top of the bathroom cabinet. I've got some green tarpaulin down to cover our brick patio, and this is what we see there. It poos across the tarpaulin, my back, across part of a bit on the bit I've just painted. It hit some of the parts I've got underneath my workbench that I'd already done, and it hits some of the tins as well, or one of the tins. I haven't got bench cookies, but they're the next best thing. So I've got cream of tomato soups and tinned tomatoes and a tin of mixed beans, I believe. So there we go. Next time I'll put my parasole up. I have got one. You'd have thought I'd have put one up when I was doing this, but I didn't think. Seagulls are a bit of a pain in the proverbial. They will poo on anything. You do your car, clean it, polish it, and then they use it as target practice, and it gets absolutely obliterated. There we go. It's coming. You can hear the splat. Disgusting.
Ah! Can't cope with this.
There we go. I'm absolutely exasperated. It's in my hair and down my t-shirt as well.
I would imagine I've got it on my back.
And it sticks like nobody's business. It's disgusting. I need to get a gazebo really. Or a big work unit. Or even a small work unit. Do it all year round then. Decorate and upcycle. Not decorate, upcycle. You can see it in a minute on my back. With my t-shirt. But it's a beautiful turquoise, this back. It's lovely. I'm really pleased with it. It's come out well. It came up in the wash okay. I think I put it in soak straight away.
All over everything.
There we go. Tidy it away out of the way. No more bird poop. And here's said cabinet with a lovely glass crystal doorknob. No bird poo. And a soft grey bathroom shower room. Just contents of a bathroom cabinet. Nice and fresh and bright. I hope you liked my video. Let me know what you thought. Please subscribe to my channel, where more videos will be coming along soon. Thank you. Bye.